Let me tell you, oh my friends, about this joy I'm living in. Let me take the mic, go on and testify how I was dead and then I came to life. No more living in the dark of night. Now everything's alright. I've been changed, I've been saved. Brand new day, I've been changed, I've been changed. Tell me why would I turn back now? There's no end to the love I found. Future's bright and there ain't no doubt. I've been changed, I've been changed. All my heartbreak fades away like a book when you turn the page. Let me take the mic, go on and testify how I was dead and then I came to life. No more living in the dark of night. Now everything's alright. I've been changed, I've been saved. Brand new day, I've been changed, I've been changed. Tell me why would I turn back now? There's no end to the love I found. Future's bright and there ain't no doubt. I've been changed, I've been changed. I've been changed. I put my hands in the air 'cause I know you're there. Your love did something magical. I put my hands in the air 'cause you heard my prayer. A transformation radical. I put my hands in the air 'cause I know you're there. I know it's supernatural. I put my hands in the air 'cause you heard my prayer. I've been changed, I've been saved. I can feel it brand new day. I believe it, I've been changed. You know I believe it. Tell me why would I turn back now? There's no end to the love I found. Future's bright and there ain't no doubt. I've been changed, I've been changed. Let me tell you now. I've been changed.
That one takes my breath away every time I do it full speed. But I want to show you the dance tutorial for Change by Jordan Feliz. And it's pretty simple. The beat is just a little quirky, so I'm going to guide you through it and show you what steps go where and how to do them. So, for the beginning, although the beat of the song is pretty quick, although the beat of the song is quite fast, we start with a slower move. So it's just a right together right, just a side step. And you don't do anything with the arms. You can hold hands with everybody. You can do palm to palm as a wall if you want. Everybody's different. But you just do right together, right together, right together, right together. And I'm just going around the blue bowl since it's the center of the circle. But you just do 4 step togethers. So just right, then bring left together with the right, right, step, right, together, right, together, right, together. And then you do 4 to the left. So left, together, left, together, left, together, left, together. Let me think. Okay, so then once you've done 1 set of that, so 4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left, then you're going to get to where the beat of everything really picks up. So it's just for the lyrics, give me the mic, I want to testify. This move's kind of meant to mimic grabbing a microphone. So this is double time. So whereas the first beat, it's, right, together, together. This next right together is half that, so it's right together, step, out, together. So it's just twice as fast. If you stay with it, it's pretty easy. Just let the music guide you, basically. So once you've done 4 to the right, 4 to the left, then you do 2 quick to the right. So then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, step out, bring back. And then when you do that step out, you're kind of reaching, making a grabbing motion, and then grabbing the mic. So when you do, double time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty simple. With the, when you're doing the double time like that and the mic grab and all that, every time, not for the beginning, not for the 4 side steps that are the slow version, but for the double time, I like throwing a clap in there whenever my feet come together, just like this. So it's just gonna look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, bump, bump, reach, bring back, just like that. So once you've grabbed the mic, then you do 1 mayim to the left, which is just cross, which is just right over, left out, right behind, left out, and of course to time, the double beat time. So it's reach out, together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a coupe, which is just crossing over with your right leg and your right hand. So it's just cross, and then back, just like that. So let's do that from the mic grab. So, or the 2 step to the right and then the grab. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, and then back. And then we go into a pivot, in and out, which is very simple. You just take your right arm and your right leg, and you go into the circle, and then you face clockwise in the circle, and then you pivot out, and keep your left leg in place, and just spin around that leg counterclockwise. So if you're facing in, then it's just right arm in, right arm out, and then instead of it being a regular trichosia, which is what most choreographers would probably do here, since the lyrics are talking about when we're living in the dark of nights, you gotta kind of do a downer of a move. So when you come back, when you go in and then out, then you're gonna go down in a bowing trichosia, and then come back like this. So the whole move, it's easier to do it faster than it is slower. So if we just do right in, right out, then bow, and then back, and then you run. This is an interesting move. It's just kind of a running in a circle in place for 6 beats. So when you come down and then out, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then kind of a mini trichosia in there, or you can just wait until the chorus actually starts. So let's go from the double time step to the side and the mic grab all the way through the running in the mini circle. So we'll go double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, reach and grab mayim, over, then cross, then in and out, then down, then run in circle, just like that. So now next is the chorus. So for the chorus, it's really simple. It's just a walk in, a walk out, do that again, 2 mayims, 2 trichosias. So I'll just show you how to do each one, and then put them together and practice that, and then we'll go into the bridge. So for an in and out, it's just, not an in and out, it's for a walk in, walk out. It's 4 steps in, starting with the right foot, and then starting with the right foot. So then it goes like this. I'll just do the legs, and I'll add the arms later. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go back in again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For arms, I just like starting, right before you go into the circle, start with your arms, and then as you work your way into the middle, bring your arms all the way up, and then back down if you want to, or you can leave them up. This is a pretty spontaneous worship song, so you can kind of do whatever you want with your arms, basically. So, so when you go in on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back. Do it again. In. Then out. Then 2 mayim. So you guys already know how to do that. Mayim, bum, and trichosia. And then in. And you repeat it again. Pretty simple. And just a review for trichosia, that is just a right step in. Sorry, just with the feet. Just a right step in and out. That's all trichosia is. And then with the arms, it's just moving up and then back, up and then back. Pretty simple. Okay, so the order of the song is pretty simple. It starts with the slow moves, works into the verse, which starts with the clap, mic, and all that. Then it goes into the chorus, and the chorus is repeated twice. So once you've done the 2 trichosias like this, you go back to the walk in and then walk out, walk in, walk out, 2 mimes, 2 trichosias, and then you start all over. You start with the 4 steps like that. So right after the second time the chorus is performed, then you go into right back to the beginning. Just 4 slow to the right, 4 slow to the left, and then it gets into my personal favorite part of the song, which is the bridge. Put my arms in the air because I know you're there. This one, it's really simple. The leg movements, it's just a right together, left together, right together, left together, and then right, move to the right, and then a quick turn, just like that. So it's just 4 step togethers, 2 of the quick side, and then the right turn. And when you do a right turn, don't forget to keep your right shoulder in place and spin around it. That's basically what a right turn is. It's easier to get confused because some people, when they think they're doing a right turn, it's like this, but then you kind of have to do 1.5 turns to get back to facing center. But if you just, pivot over your right shoulder, then you're doing less turning, basically. So, okay, so for the bridge, it's just 4 step togethers. So right together, left together, right, left, then step, 1, 2, 4 point turn. And then do it again. Bum, bum, step together, turn, and add the arms, right together, left together, right together, left together, right, left, and then turn. Now for the arm movements, again, it's kind of pretty simple. Just reach up your arms as high as you're comfortable with, and just watch the windows type of thing for the step togethers like this. And then when you're doing the side step, I like to bring my hands about eye level and kind of do like a shifting move. So kind of like, it's kind of like this. And then by the time the circle comes, I like to just put my hands down here. But you can see I kind of changed my mind while I'm in the actual video. So, but I think that looks the cleanest. So if you want to have a little more structure, that's what I like to do. So we'll start, and you do this whole sequence 4 times for the bridge. So this is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step together, step together, step together, step. Side, turn, bum. Do it again. Right, left, side. 1, 2, turn, bum, bum. And then you do that 2 more times. And yeah, then you go back into the chorus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go in again, come out again. 2 mimes, 2 trichosias, and then do that all again. And then once the chorus is done, then you go back to the mic drop move. So right, reach, mime, coupe, all that stuff. And then once you've done that the verse section once, then you go back to the very beginning, which is the very slow. You just end that way, so it's just a nice breather and a nice calm way to end the song because you've got to bring your heart rate back down. So that is the tutorial for Changed by Jordan Feliz. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comment section below. But until next time, go forth and dance.